Hello again, and welcome back to Campaign Trackly's Excel add-in. To access its amazing click-based campaign building features, you'd usually need to build a template in our app. But if you need to make changes on the fly, we got you covered. After your initial campaign name and URL columns, label the next column with the name of the tag that you want to edit. If you need a different UTM content, just make a content column, or a term column for your UTM term. And yes, this also works with your custom tags. For them, just copy-paste the name of your custom tag with the correct spelling. And we'll let you know if there's ever a spelling issue with that so you can correct it. If you've already generated links once before without changing or specifying tags, you'll probably want to rename the previous result sheet if you don't want it to get out of alignment. And this new batch will generate a second result sheet. And there you have it. You'll see that all of the edited tags show up in the long link, and automatically given the correct capitalization conventions, as you can see here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us at support@campaigntrackly.com. Happy tracking!